Hey everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make a kitchen counter. Take these pieces, for these corner 1x1s, a cabinet opening, a cabinet, and a dollar bill. First, take these 4 corner edges, place one right there, place another one right there. Oh, wrong way. Place one right there. Place. I'm going to keep on turning it so you can see. Place one right there. And place one in the corner right here. And that is your sink. Now, place a dollar bill to the side. Boom. Place the cabinet door inside the cabinet. Sorry guys. This is struggling. Why is this so hard? Okay guys, I'm gonna film you off camera right now. There you go. You have your cabinet part. Now, let's move on. Take another one, a plate, this 2x2 plate, stick it right there. Take this pan, 1x1 stud on the bottom of it, stick it right there. Take this cabinet opening, stick it inside. And also, take this 1x2 flat tile, stick it right here. Boom, now you have another part done of your kitchen. Now we are going to make the stove and the furnace, I believe. Take this, take the door for it. Stick it on, click it in, and also take these 2 grill pieces and stick them on the top of it. Boom! Now you have that. Now we are going to make you can already guess, the fridge. And this is our last part. Take 2 of these, stack them on top of each other. So now you have your chassis of your fridge. Take 2 of these door openings again and just stick them on. Boom, now you have your fridge. Also, take another 1x2 dark gray slab, stick it on the top of it. Take this grill, stick it right there, and also take this pizza and stick it down. You can put it in the fridge. On top is the freezer. So now you got your basic setup, and this is how to